Hi beauties, so today I'm going to be doing a neutral or natural-ish makeup look with the James Charles and Morphe palette. I asked you guys in my last video and some of you did want to see something that was using the middle row, like more neutral, natural type of makeup look. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use this primer from Callie to prime my eyes. Then I'm going to take a Sigma E40 brush and I'm going to go in with the middle shade of the palette and just start applying that right here and blending that right in my crease. So just bring it all the way up, almost touching your brow. Next I'm going to use a Sigma E35, which is a little bit smaller. Next, I'm going to use the next brown shade. I'm just going to go in all the brown shades basically. And I'm going to take a Sigma E25 this time. I'm also getting smaller and smaller with the brushes. And then I'm going to just apply that right here. You can add some black eyeshadow, but I'm actually going to just do black eyeliner and leave it like this. So I'm going to use some more eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to cover up my lid again. Then I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm gonna go back into the second brown and just bring that in here.
Girl, do slow motion, skin smooth, use good lotion, body so hot.
Pretty good. I'm gonna take
caution in the club, girl, you
brown.
Commotion. Don't slow down, don't make me hold on, cause my love is bigger than the ocean.
So now I'm gonna use this black eyeliner from Pat McGraw. And then I'm gonna take the deepest brown shade. Alright, then I'm going to take this shade right here and just pop that right in the center. Alright, then I'm going to add mascara using this mascara. For blush, I'm going to use the Callie Coral Blush in the shade Gorgeous, which is in the middle. For highlight, I'm going to use Dose of Colors Supreme Glow in Royal Hotness. I'm going to use Brown Sugar from Callie Cosmetics. And then I'm going to use Like Lip Gloss, also from Callie Cosmetics. Alright, so this is the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed this neutral, natural-ish makeup. It's definitely not natural, but it's like my version of natural. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!